3 bedrooms, 1 level with a great meadow view and gorgeous Saddle Lake Farms. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty. Call on Colleen.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 1st of October. Just love this month. And the weather today looks good, but things will change soon. Here's some Skycam shots. First off, coming from the campus of the University of Montevallo down in Shelby County. Clear and cool, not quite as cool as recent mornings, but some spots are in the 40s. The Tuscaloosa Skycam there, that's the shot coming from the courthouse looking west. And from the Wingate Inn overlooking Highway 280 in Shelby County. Big trough coming out of the Rockies. Some active convection this morning out ahead of that over parts of the upper Midwest, and we will be looking out for severe weather out in that part of the world later today. Here's our watch warning map. Still some winter weather advisories for the Colorado Rockies. The snow is winding down out there. Wind advisories out there for the plains. And there's your severe weather risk for today. A slight risk from near Houston and College Station up to almost Jefferson City, Missouri. That includes places like Tulsa, Little Rock, Shreveport, Springfield. The prime risk will be from strong straight-line winds, although there could be a few isolated tornadoes in there. And that should be moving across the Mississippi River late tonight. Now, tomorrow, again, there's no formal risk of severe weather. Just very low-end probabilities, mainly over South Alabama. It's the instability that's the problem. There's just not enough of that, so don't expect any real severe weather problems, although a strong storm or two not out of the question. How much rain? This is valid through Monday evening. This is suggesting rain amounts of about 1 inch around here. Heavier totals on the upper Texas and Louisiana Gulf Coast with 4-inch amounts of possibility there. Tropical weather, familiar scene there, nothing happening. So let's look at the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. This is at 500 millibars. And you can see that negative tilt trough out there across the heartland. And certainly you see something like that. That could suggest severe weather if the air mass is unstable. And it should be moderately so. The surface low is near Omaha. And we'll be kind of watching things develop out there. But a great day here, sunny and a bit warmer, upper 70s likely today. Tomorrow, here comes the front with a band of showers and storms. And like we've talked about, don't think it rains all day. Probably 1 to 2 hours of rain, and the main window would be from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And a pretty decent chance the rain will be over in time for high school football. And Saturday, we dry out. Sky becomes sunny, a bit cooler with mid-70s. And Sunday now, the moisture all of a sudden not that far away. This is suggesting could be raining Sunday as close as maybe Meridian, Mississippi, but we'll leave it dry. We probably call it partly sunny. And then Monday, most of the active moisture return stays a little west of here. We've got the forecast partly sunny. We'll leave it dry for now. And then Tuesday, there's the deal. You got a ridge on the Gulf Coast, trough out west, a big positive tilt trough, and the westerlies just north of here, and that screams that a front could be stalled out north of here. Maybe it's a warm front lifting north, or some kind of boundary up in there, and that could be some heavy rain for the Interstate 40 corridor. Little Rock over to Nashville, if that's right. And pretty much the same deal Wednesday. We could see a few showers here both days, Tuesday and Wednesday. More than likely, though, the heaviest rain would be a bit north of here. And there's a week from today. Looks like the boundary kind of sags in here, so a little unsettled out there toward the middle of next week. As we often like to do, let's look at the end of the forecast. Mid-month, October 16th. Pretty good trough is rotated on through. The core westerlies just north of here, and that looks dry. Look at the cold air up over eastern Canada. Goodness gracious. Strong low up there sitting over the northern tip of Maine. Awfully snowy for our friends in Canada as we get deeper into the fall season. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.